Tune Up by Miles Davis. Please like and subscribe, and visit the description down below to sign up for our free lessons via our email newsletter. Next up, we'll have a second playthrough, but this time with the tablature and standard notation, as well as the Guitar Pro neck diagram. Then I'll walk you through the simple, straightforward arrangement step by step. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now that we've played through it again, let's work on the step-by-step. If you need the notation, you can check the link down in the description below. We'll begin here in position 7. We're going to replace finger 4 with finger 2 on string 2, fret 8. Then we're going to go to position 4, and we're going to bar with finger 1, and then we're going to place in finger 3 on string 2, fret 5, and then we're going to move up to D major 7. Okay, and then we're going to basically play our first shape, but this time in position 5, and go through the same motion. So replace finger 4 with finger 2 on string 2. Okay, you could even strum that again if you like, the whole chord. And over to G7. This is actually G9 sharp 11, if you want to be more specific with it. And then we're going to take finger 3 on string 2, fret 3, and then up to C major 7. So it's actually the same shapes, just shifted down 2 frets. All right, we're going to play string 2, fret 5, and then we're going to go to C minor 7 in position 3. Gonna pluck string 2 again, and then we're gonna go into the F7. This is an inversion. Okay, then we're gonna move to position 8. Play these 4 notes, and then we're going to play the B flat major 7. Okay, and I'm in this case using 4 separate fingers for that chord shape. That chord will be compatible with both B flat major 7 and G minor 7. The G minor 7 becomes a G minor 9. Now we're playing some single tones here. And then we're going to play string 2, fret 10 with finger 4, getting ready to set up this E minor 7 or E minor 11. I'm going to work on holding that pinky in place. Play really a shell voicing for F7, and then we're going to play this single line melody. I'm going to slide down to fret 5 and then play the next G on string 2, and then I'm going to play this fret 5 string 1 again. Then I'm going to drop in the B flat major 7. And then I'm going to move over, I'm going to hold that note and play A7 here, rootless. Although the bass is playing the root and that A melody note is ringing over. Now we've reached the end of the form, and we're going to play into the second half, which is essentially the same until the very end. Okay, just a couple notes leading into this E minor 7 or E minor 11. Position 4, and then position 5. D minor 7. Okay, position 5, and then position 2, G7, and then position 3 for the C major 7. Okay, and then we're going to play that melody note there on string 2, and then C minor 7. Going over to the F7, position 8. Play that as a single note, and then drop in the B flat major 7. That becomes the G minor 9 after the bar line. Then we're going to play these single notes. Go to fret 5, string 1. Prepare the chord. This is an E minor 11 with a 9. That'll give us the melody again too. And then we're going to strum. We're going to do our best to keep that note going. And then, we're going to play A7, A7 flat 13, and then we're going to play D major 9 in position 4. Okay, let's check out some basic chords for comping. Okay, we have E minor 7 and A7 and D major 7. On that A7, if you're comping during the melody, you just want to watch out for string 2. You could leave that out altogether, or you could follow the melody with it as well by playing an A7 sharp 11. Okay, the D major 7 becomes a D minor 7 into G7. So quick note, so the same kind of thing there. And then C major 7. So we'll play C minor in position 7, fingers on fret 8 though. C minor 7, F7 to the B flat, major 7, G minor 7, and then we have E minor 7, F7, B flat major 7 to A7. We're basically going to repeat through all of that, so let's go through that again. So E minor 7, A7, D major 7, D minor 7, G7, C major 7, C minor 7, F7, B flat major 7, G minor 7, but this time we'll go E minor 7, straight to A7, and into the D major 7. Thanks for watching. You may find you need more help with this tune or other tunes. Take your playing to the next level by signing up for a private lesson down in the link below. And for ongoing drills, live streams, and lessons, join our member area on fretprints.com. You can try it out with a free trial. Enjoy your practice session, and I'll see you all in the next one.